Welcome, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can form your own LLC in Colorado. The first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that's going to help you create your own LLC so you can put your attention elsewhere to make money or to create really good value for people. But I always recommend for everyone, outsource creation of the company and outsource accounting, and you should focus on actually making money, and you should focus on building valuable things for people. Because if you're gonna spend a lot of time for processes, for accounting, for creation of the company, you will get nowhere, and you won't get to the higher level of how much money you can actually make. So the first thing that you want to do when you're going to enter Incfile, you want to click Start My Business here, or go to Top Services and form an LLC. When you're going to do it, you want to click on LLC here, and state of formation, you want to choose Colorado. Here you have option if you want to choose gold, platinum or silver plans. I always recommend going with the gold one, only because they're going to help you with the whole process. Yes, you can go with the silver if you want to, completely up to you, but with the gold version, you're gonna have the business tax number, IRS form, operating agreement, a banking resolution, lifetime company alerts, online access dashboard, unlimited phone email support, business bank account, and business tax consultations. So this is really important, primarily with the unlimited phone and email support, that you can get advice what to do, how to act, and also with the business tax consultation, that's huge. Now with the platinum version, you would have also the expedited filing. So here you would get also the option to have it all faster if you want to, and also business contract templates. We're going to talk about it a little bit in the middle of the video, and then domain name and business email. So here I'm going to start with the gold. Now you have to add a contact person, so that's me. I'm going to add name, Marcus Stonelius. Now I'm going to add an email address and number. So tutorial, and then I'm going to add phone number. Now I will add a street and city. And here I'll add like this. I'll press next. Here you have the state filling time. You can go with the 3 weeks, or you can make it fast to 1 business day for $50. You can add it or don't want to, it's completely up to you. Now I'll choose 3 weeks. Here you're gonna have the LLC name. So I'll write here just LLC name. I'm going to write here my own LLC, Sunwe and LLC. Or you can go LTD or limited liability company, limited liability CO. So you choose here which one you like. Then select the number of members. I'm going to be 1. If you want, you can go with a 2. And then business purpose. So I can write here, we provide marketing for companies. And I can go marketing, consulting services. And now when I'm going to scroll down below, you have also option to have a company address information, and you can use your own address, or you can have the professional business address and virtual mail service. This is really great if you want to maintain privacy, if you want to have also the unlimited scanning incoming mail. So this is something you can do if you want. Then when you got it, like this. Okay, and like this. Next. Now when you got it, you got also option to have the premium service package. Here you would have directly the expedited filling service that you would have in 1 business day, the filling time for Colorado. And then you're going to have the business contract templates. This is what I meant. So when I'm going to click here 25 high quality legal documents, you can simply see all the documents here. Operating agreement, banking resolution, employment offer letter, terms of service, sales agreement, privacy policy, and everything. Then you're going to have the domain name and business email address. So get 1 full year of free domain name, email service, and you would got it too. If you want, you can go with the premium service package, or you don't need to. Completely up to you guys. I'm not going to push you to anything. Can get upgraded and bonus. And then now we have options to have member 1, the individual or a company. So let's say I'm going to choose the individual. I'm going to choose myself and also the address. And then if you're like multiple individuals, you need to choose the ownership, the percentage of ownership. Then gonna press next. Then you're gonna have the option to have registered agent information and a registered agent service for free with for 1 year with Incfile. And I would recommend doing that definitely. Or you can have your own and you can act as your own registered agent. So I'm going to choose the Incfile here. Then press again next. And now you can have the tax identification number option. So I'm going to choose my name and then I'm going to add SSN. Then again, physical street address and press next. And now, yes, please have a Bank of America small business specialist contact me. If you want, you can open the account with Bank of America. That's completely up to you. Or if you don't, not at this time. So I'll press next again. And then you would have tax strategy free consultation. And you have an option to yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation for free. This is something that I would definitely recommend for you to do, to have the business tax consultation. You're not going to pay anything for it and you can get a nice overview about how LLC is going to be taxed. And how to reduce self-employment taxes, etc. They will, when you're going to fill the order, then they will contact you. We identified 2 licenses for your consulting business in Colorado. This is something that you need to identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. This is something that I would recommend for you to do, or if you want to, you can do all the work by yourself. Now we're going to fill it up. I will click next again. And then you're going to have the formatting of info, contact information, agent info, company info, member info. This is like the review of the order. Just check it out if everything is okay. Then press next. And here we are in billing information. So here on the right side, you would see all what you're ordering. And then you would see the cardholder first, last name, street address, city, card number. So I would recommend definitely to check this out, filling out, and when you're gonna have the complete and pay, then someone from Incfile is going to contact you. You'll get all the necessary information and emails. So I have some service, very quick and easy and straight to the point. And you can concentrate on running the business. So thank you very much guys for watching. I hope you're going to have a great day. And this is how you can form your own company in Colorado. Have a great day and goodbye guys. See ya.